So Gary, I wanted to talk to you about unicide refinish, or just refinishing. How do you define the natural breaking point or the panel ending?
Yeah, well, to me, it's pretty plain. The end of the panel is the end of the panel. The edge of the panel is the edge of the panel. We also look into what the paint manufacturer says, and most of which are going to identify as the finish process must carry to that edge of panel. So that, along with some of the OEM documentation, it kind of gives you some ideas as well.
And something else that we have to, really important for both of us is a warrantable repair. We are responsible to give a warranty to our client that we've done everything that we can to provide a warrantable repair. And per our paint manufacturer, that could include painting the entire unicide. That could include roof, other quarter, different things that you have to take into consideration.
Absolutely. There can be some challenges, by all means, because of course we do have there's opportunities at being able to shortcut process, and the shortcut of the process is definitely not going to be that warrantable end. By setting that expectation within the environment, by setting it up for your technical staff to be trained by the refinish company, and in some instances, some of the OEs also have some refinish training in place. By setting that and then building that standard within your facility, I believe that's one way of being able to overcome a great deal of that challenge.
Yeah, just staying consistent all the way throughout the process.
Absolutely.
If you found today's tip helpful, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by SCRS. If you aren't currently a member, I encourage you to join. Visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.